What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are starting a new tutorial about custom scroll view and silver widgets in Flutter. So let's get started. Main function, run app, my app, and returning a material app. So I have already a directory of assets, image and .3.png image, and also make a file of homepage.dart. Import a package for my file, a stateless widget, and in my stateless widget returning my homepage class and returning a blank scaffold here. In a blank scaffold, a body and a custom scroll view. So custom scroll view is a scrollable widget that actually create custom scrolling effects on multiple silvers. After converting the stateless to stateful widget, let's make a scrollable controller. What does this scroll controller mean? Scroll controller actually controls the scrolling effects and actions. Passing a controller and scroll controller in custom scroll view. Nice. Now a silver widget. A silver widget contains a list of widgets. So we use here silver app bar. Now silver app bar have bunches of properties. So we use here expanded height to 250 and pinned true title. So we set a title as a text. I will set a title welcome to Flutter Prog. So this is my channel name. I will randomly choose this title. Now another important property of Silver app bar is flexible space bar, and flexible space bar have a property of background, and we set background as a, and also decorate the container with colors.gray of shade 500, border radius dot circular 10.0. Let's restart the app and see what the changes are happens. So we see a container. So we set child as a image dot assets. So I already make an directory of assets slash images slash dot 3.png. Nice, and give some property of height as well as width. Let's restart the app. Our image looking something weird because of their improper alignment. Let's align the image by wrap with a padding widget. Add edge inserts dot only from top of 50. Now we can also wrap a padding widget to a row widget, and a property of main axis alignment space evenly and cross axis alignment dot center. A silver list, and silver list have an object of delegate. A delegate is often referred to an object that perform a specific behavior on behalf of another object. So we use delegate with silver list and also with custom scroll and a silver child list delegate. a delegate a list view dot builder, and list view builder have a item builder of context and index, returning a container of some width as well as height, decoration and box decoration. Let's restart the app. Unfortunately, we cannot see anything because of some errors, and we have a property of margin of edge inserts dot all of 6.0 and list view dot builder have an item count for 10, and let's restart the app again. So the error not gone. So let's check the error. So this is a render box error, means we have to implement a widget name as size box and set some height for my list view dot builder and see what the changes are happens. And now we can see our list. Now we can properly scroll the containers of list view, but there is no animated or animation or applying animation. Now a simple shrink wrap equal to true and physics. So physics refers to rules that dictate the scrolling behavior, and never scrollable scroll physics class is predefined in Flutter and it represents the scroll physics. Let's check our app. So I hope that you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. See you in the next one.